Thanks for viewing this short video. We're going to take you through the steps needed to manage your account on our website at www.accessrules.com. You'll usually start at the home screen when you visit our website. From here, click on the My Account button located at the top right of the screen. You'll be asked for your credentials if you are a registered user and are not logged in automatically. Enter here your username and email address, followed by your password. Clicking Remember Me will save your credentials and automatically log you in on future visits. You'll also have the option of registering as an account holder by entering your email address under the heading Register on the right side of the screen. Once the email address has been provided, click Register and our website will send you instructions for setting up your account with Access Rules. Please be sure to check your spam and junk mailboxes for the message if you do not find it in your main inbox. Click on Log In once your credentials are correctly entered. You can click on Lost Your Password if you need to reset your password for any reason. We'll review the steps to reset your password later in this video. You'll be redirected to your My Accounts page once you are logged in. Here you will find many options, each of which will be reviewed now. You are looking at the main dashboard where you have access to your online courses, that feature's coming soon, student resources, the ability to complete any forms necessary for your upcoming course. We've put it all together in one package for a more convenient experience. Copies of any forms you complete when you attend one of our courses, any previous or incomplete orders you have made, a screen to change your basic account information such as name, display name, email, and password, the ability to edit your billing and shipping addresses, any payment methods you've saved on this site, finally, an opportunity to log out. Your dashboard may look a bit different if you are assigned a master or sub-account status. Contact us if you'd like more information regarding these features. When we click the Courses option on the right, we move to the Courses page. This page displays all the courses in which you are currently enrolled or have previously been enrolled. Although this feature is not yet available, it will be in the fourth quarter of 2025. We're very excited to offer a unique learning experience for our students and are confident that it will become industry best practice in the future. Clicking the down arrow on the course title provides a progress bar, and clicking on the course title will take you to the part of the course where you left off. Look for a video describing our online learning environment once we turn it on. Back on the dashboard, let's click the Student Resources link on the right. We're known for providing a ton of information to each student by giving away Kindle readers and most lately thumb drives. Our Student Resources page gives each of our account holders access to the same information, only now it's available whenever you have an internet access. We'll keep the information current so you always have the latest and greatest. Have a look around. There's some great information here. Let us know if you'd like to see anything else here. From the dashboard, we can choose the link for Access Rules Student Forms packet. Clicking it will give you the ability to fill in the forms that are necessary for your class here at Access Rules. We ask all students to complete the forms packet whenever they come to our courses. This ensures that we have the most current information and that they continue to meet all prerequisites for the course. Clicking here will allow you to display the most recent entry you've made. This screen will be blank if you have not submitted an Access Rules student form packet in the past. You can edit the information on this screen by scrolling to the bottom of the page and clicking the Edit button. Remember to save any edits that you may have made. Again, from the dashboard, you can click on the Forms link. This screen will allow you to complete any forms necessary for your participation in our classes. The main screen has two sections, Forms and Submissions. The Forms subsection will list all available forms you must complete. Generally, you'll only have to complete and submit the Access Rules Student Forms packet on each visit. Occasionally, there may be other forms which may be necessary. We'll let you know if you're missing any. The Submissions section allows you to download any of the forms you've already submitted. The download will begin as soon as you click the button. The Access Rules Orders link, accessed through the dashboard, will display all the orders you've placed or those which have been placed on your behalf. If your employer schedules and pays for your class, then you should see the transaction here. Please contact us if you do not see a transaction here or if it's incorrect. The Account Details option, also accessed from the dashboard, lets you change basic information about your account. It will also let you change your password. Now is a good time to remind you to safeguard your account and do not share your login information with anybody. Give us a call if you have a colleague who needs access. If you need to change an address, clicking Addresses from the dashboard will allow you to edit your address. This menu allows you to edit your billing and shipping addresses easily. Please remember to save any changes you make. If you need to change or edit a payment method, click the Payment Methods link from the dashboard. Please remember to save any changes you make. We use industry standard security measures to protect your information. And finally, pressing Log Out from the dashboard will disconnect your session and log you out. Thanks much for watching this short tutorial. We hope you like our new website.